everybody, welcome back. Today I'll got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can upload Instagram story in high quality. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. Now first thing first, go ahead, open up your Instagram. Now let me tell you some things. Like if you go ahead and if you want to upload a high quality story on Instagram, make sure it is not screenshotted, it is not screen recorded or downloaded from any other platform that is sent by other person that they clicked on their own. Those pictures will come with the low quality itself. So even if you upload with high quality settings, you cannot have high quality picture over there showing. So make sure you have it clicked and if you from the high quality device and edit it out perfectly. And when you go to this plus icon and go to the story section and you click a picture, and when you go to upload, right, so you just have to make sure you have a high quality picture available for you, or you have clicked with a high quality device that you have owned, and go ahead, share your story, and that is it. And now if you want to do that for reels, then you have a particular high quality function itself. You have make sure you have turned that on, so when you post a reel it will also come out high quality. That's basically it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.